Hi there guys, it's Mike, and today I'm going to give you my tips on how to improve your vlog. Right now I'm just using my smartphone and I know I can get a lot better results with just a few easy changes. So I can take my video from this to this. My first tip is to put your camera on a tripod. Now this could be a full-size tripod or even just a little tabletop tripod. The big advantages this is going to give you is it's going to give you a more stable view for your video, and it leaves your hands free to gesture and show off products if you're doing reviews. Our next tip is lighting. Whilst daylight is great to work with, it's a little bit unreliable and is only good a few hours a day. Using the standard lighting in your home might not have the nicest color or the best brightness. Investing in an LED lighting solution will give you greater control over how you light your video. LED has a couple of advantages. First of all, LEDs don't get hot, so even if you're filming for a long time, you're not going to feel like you're cooking. They also don't flicker, and this means that you're going to get smoother, more consistent lighting in your video. If you're using a slightly more advanced lighting, like this Nangguan ring light, which is the Venus V29C, you have a few advanced controls. First of all, you get a bendy arm, which allows you to move your lens and camera or phone around so you can get exactly so this halo is right in the middle of your eyes. You can also adjust the color temperature, add filters, and adjust the brightness very quickly and easily so you can get the perfect lighting for whatever room you're in. Sound is so important for video, and when you're recording on a smartphone, it can sound a little bit tinny and flat due to the inbuilt microphones on your device. Now, when it comes to improving that, you don't need to go mad and get a £1,000 boom mic. You can go for a clip-on shotgun mic. These shotgun mics are great because they give you very directional sound, which is going to have a much greater quality. Now, these can be just clipped onto your phone and plugged in, and it's just as easy to attach them to a camera. The last step for improving your vlogs is to upgrade your camera equipment. Now, this might seem a little bit intimidating, particularly if you're going up to a mirrorless or DSLR system with interchangeable lenses. But those choice of lenses will allow you to adapt to different types of videos and really create your creative style. Now, you'll also have greater control over your audio, your focusing, your settings, and your color balancing, meaning you can just make a really nice video with very little effort and maximum results. If you're not sure as to which camera would be perfect for you, visit one of our stores and talk to our expert staff who will help you pick the exact setup for the type of videos you want to make. So those are our tips for improving your vlog. If there's anything we've missed and you'd like to share, pop them down in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, give us a like and don't forget to hit subscribe. And if you are subscribed, make sure the bell icon is on so that you don't miss any time we upload a video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon.